Let's monetize your TikTok account. Now, if you're on the TikTok app and you're starting to grow a following, you can always turn on monetization so that you'll start earning money immediately on your videos, your lives, for gifts, all that stuff. I'll show you how to do it. Let's open up the TikTok app here, and you're going to tap on profile at the very bottom right. Now, tap on the three lines at the top right here, and then tap on settings and privacy. At the very top, let's choose account here, and you can see I have a personal account, but it says switch to a business account. You might want to tap that and go through the process of switching to a business account. This gives you more features in terms of monetization, as well as the analytics or insights. After you go through that process, though, we can just go back here, all the way over here, tap on those three lines at the top right again, and we'll tap on TikTok Studio. Now, this will show you a bunch of different things. You can see analytics, but below that is monetization. So let's hit view all next to it, and you can see the various programs for you. If you're eligible to turn on monetization for subscriptions, creator rewards program, video gifts, creator marketplace, any of these different ones, you can just tap on it and toggle it on. You can see for my instance, I am not yet eligible to turn this on. I have to have at least 10,000 followers, which I don't quite have yet. So you can also tap on view all here, and it'll show you all of these different programs. If you're not eligible for one of them or some of them, you can always tap notify me when I'm eligible, let's say for all programs. And then essentially you'll get that notification when you are able to turn it on. Now, after you go through that entire process, you can always see the money that you've made at the very top here. You can see estimated rewards for the last 7 days. In my case, just $0. The balance here is $0. You can always transfer that money out. Once you reach a certain threshold, you'll be able to pull that money out and transfer it back to your bank account if you want. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. And I'll catch you on the next one.